Our planet is a remarkable place, a living, breathing entity that supports an astonishing variety of life forms. From the highest mountain peaks, where eagles soar effortlessly on the wind, to the deepest ocean trenches, where mysterious creatures thrive in the dark, life flourishes in a dazzling array of forms. Millions of species share our Earth, each playing a unique role in the intricate web of life. In the dense forests, animals and plants coexist in a delicate balance, each one contributing to the ecosystem's health and stability. But have you ever stopped to consider the importance of this incredible diversity? The lush rainforests, teeming with countless species, are not just beautiful, they are vital to our survival. Do you know the true value of biodiversity? Researchers around the world dedicate their lives to studying these species, uncovering the secrets of their interactions and the benefits they provide. Biodiversity is the very fabric of life on Earth. It encompasses all living things, from the smallest insects to the largest whales, and the ecosystems they call home. Each species, no matter how small, has a role to play. It encompasses all living things from the smallest insects to the largest whales, and the ecosystems they call home. Whales, for instance, play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our oceans, and the ecosystems they call home. Insects, often overlooked, are essential for pollination and decomposition, processes that sustain life on Earth. It is the result of billions of years of evolution, shaping the world we know today. This intricate tapestry of life has evolved over eons, adapting to changing environments and creating the rich diversity we see now. Protecting this biodiversity is not just about preserving beauty, it's about ensuring the survival of life on Earth. Biodiversity is more than just a count of species. It encompasses the vast array of life forms on our planet, each playing a unique role in the web of life. It is the variety of life in all its forms, from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, and everything in between. This includes the genetic differences within species, which are the building blocks of evolution and adaptation. The variety of species within ecosystems creates a complex and interdependent network, where each species has a role to play. And the diversity of ecosystems across the globe, from lush rainforests to arid deserts, each with its own unique community of life. Imagine a forest. Within a single species of tree, there will be genetic variations that make each individual unique. These differences can determine how well a tree can withstand diseases, pests, and changing environmental conditions. This genetic diversity is crucial for adaptation and survival, ensuring that some individuals can thrive even when conditions change. Now, consider the multitude of species that call that forest home. The trees, the underbrush, the insects that pollinate flowers, the birds that spread seeds, and the mammals that roam the forest floor. Insects, birds, mammals, and countless microorganisms all interact in a delicate balance, each contributing to the ecosystem's resilience. Each species contributes to the forest's overall health and function. The loss of even a single species can have a ripple effect impacting the entire ecosystem. Biodiversity is not just about the number of species, but about the intricate relationships that sustain life on Earth. Biodiversity exists on multiple levels, each interconnected and crucial. Genetic diversity, the variety within a species, provides the raw material for evolution. It allows species to adapt to changing environments and withstand diseases. Species diversity, the variety of species within a given area, is what we often think of when we talk about biodiversity. It is the richness of life that makes each ecosystem unique. Finally, ecosystem diversity refers to the variety of ecosystems within a region or across the globe. This includes forests, grasslands, oceans, deserts, and everything in between. Some regions on Earth are particularly rich in biodiversity. These biodiversity hotspots are home to a disproportionately high number of species, many of which are found nowhere else on the planet. Tropical rainforests, for example, are renowned for their incredible diversity of plants, animals, and insects. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are equally diverse, supporting a dazzling array of marine life. These hotspots are not only beautiful, but also incredibly important for the health of our planet. Nature's essential services. Biodiversity provides a wide range of ecosystem services that are essential for human well-being. These services are the benefits that we receive from the natural world, often without even realizing it. Pollination, for example, is a vital ecosystem service provided by insects, birds, and bats. Without pollinators, we would lose a significant portion of our food crops. Biodiversity also plays a crucial role in water purification, climate regulation, soil fertility, and pest control. The beauty and wonder of biodiversity. Biodiversity, the variety of life on Earth, is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be explored. It encompasses the vast array of plants, animals, and microorganisms, as well as the ecosystems they form. Beyond its practical value, biodiversity holds immense cultural, aesthetic, and recreational importance. It is the foundation of the natural beauty that surrounds us, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each playing a unique role in the web of life. Nature has inspired artists, writers, and musicians for centuries. The intricate patterns of leaves, the vibrant colors of flowers, and the majestic presence of wildlife have all been muses for creative minds. The beauty of a sunset, the sound of bird song, the thrill of encountering a wild animal, these experiences enrich our lives in countless ways. They remind us of the delicate balance of our ecosystems and the need to preserve them. Many cultures have deep spiritual connections to nature. These connections are often reflected in their rituals, art, and daily practices, highlighting the integral role of biodiversity in human life. Indigenous communities in particular have long recognized the importance of biodiversity and have lived in harmony with their natural surroundings for generations. Their deep understanding of the land and its resources is a testament to sustainable living. Their traditional knowledge and practices offer valuable insights into conservation and sustainable living. By learning from these communities, we can develop strategies to protect and restore biodiversity, ensuring that future generations can also experience the beauty and wonder of our natural world. The threats to our planet's tapestry. Sadly, biodiversity is facing unprecedented threats, largely due to human activities. Habitat destruction driven by deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization is the leading cause of biodiversity loss. As we clear forests, plow grasslands, and develop coastlines, we are destroying the homes of countless species. Climate change is another major threat, altering temperatures, precipitation patterns, and ocean acidity. Pollution, invasive species, and overexploitation are also taking a toll on biodiversity, pushing many species towards extinction. Stories of hope and resilience. Despite the challenges, there are glimmers of hope. Conservation efforts around the world are making a difference, from protecting endangered species to restoring degraded habitats. The mountain gorilla, once on the brink of extinction, has seen its numbers slowly recover thanks to dedicated conservation efforts. The reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park in the United States has had a remarkable cascading effect on the entire ecosystem, demonstrating the interconnectedness of life. These success stories remind us that we can make a difference if we act decisively. Joining hands to protect our planet. Protecting biodiversity requires a global effort. International agreements such as the Convention on Biological Diversity provide a framework for cooperation and action. Governments, organizations, and individuals must work together to address the root causes of biodiversity loss. Local communities play a vital role in conservation. Their traditional knowledge, stewardship practices, and close connection to nature make them invaluable partners in protecting biodiversity. By empowering local communities, we can create a more sustainable future for all. Our shared responsibility. The future of biodiversity, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on the choices we make today. We can all play a part in protecting biodiversity, no matter how small. Supporting conservation organizations, reducing our carbon footprint, and advocating for policy changes are all meaningful actions. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can create a ripple effect that extends far beyond ourselves. Let us remember that we are part of nature, not separate from it. The fate of biodiversity is ultimately our own fate.